Are you tired of waiting for hot water? Are you looking to save money on your gas bills? If yes, then it's time to switch to an instant electric water heater. Pakistan's top-ranked brand for instant geysers, trusted for its durability and performance. Nasgas, a reliable and affordable option, perfect for everyday use. Voiceover caption. Whether it's for your bathroom, kitchen, or commercial use, these instant geysers are designed to save space, save energy, and provide continuous hot water on demand. Why choose an instant water heater? No more waiting for hot water. With an instant water heater, you can enjoy hot water in seconds. These heaters heat up the water as soon as you turn them on, so you don't have to wait around for the water to get hot, and they stay hot as long as you need them to. So you can take your time in the shower without worrying about the water getting cold. These instant geysers are available in a range of sizes and designs to suit any home. They come in compact and stylish designs that fit easily into any bathroom or kitchen, energy efficient. An instant water heater is a great way to save on your electricity bills. Unlike traditional water heaters, which have to keep water hot all day long, an instant water heater only heats up the water when you need it. This means that you're not wasting any energy heating up water that's not going to be used. So, if you're looking to save money on your utility bills, an instant water heater is a great option. Advanced safety features. An instant water heater comes with advanced safety features such as overheat protection, dry heating protection, and more. This means that you can use it with peace of mind knowing that it will automatically shut off if it gets too hot or if there is a power outage. And the best part, you can get all these amazing benefits at the best price in Pakistan. That's right. You heard it right. Voiceover caption. Whether it's for your bathroom, kitchen, or commercial use, these instant geysers are designed to save space, save energy, and provide continuous hot water on demand. Get your instant water heater today and say goodbye to all your old water heating problems. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your home with an instant water heater today. If you want to buy the best quality instant water heater at the best possible price, look no further than Buy Electronics. We have a wide range of instant water heaters to choose from, so you're sure to find the perfect one for your needs. Plus, we offer nationwide delivery, so you can have your new instant water heater shipped right to your doorstep. Don't settle for less. Choose the best. Choose Byte Electronics. Shop now, www.byteelectronics.com/pk, call WhatsApp 0307 4909 598. And here are some frequently asked questions about instant water heaters to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. What is an instant water heater? An instant water heater is a device that heats water on demand. Unlike a traditional water heater which stores hot water in a tank, an instant water heater heats water as it flows through the device. This means that you can enjoy hot water immediately without having to wait for it to heat up. How does an instant water heater work? An instant water heater works by passing electricity through a heating element, which heats up the water that flows through it. The water is heated as it passes through the device, and then it is immediately available to use. What are the benefits of using an instant water heater? There are many benefits to using an instant water heater. First, it provides hot water on demand, so you don't have to wait for it to heat up. Second, it is much more energy efficient than a traditional water heater, since it only heats water when you need it. Third, it is much safer than a traditional water heater since it does not store hot water, meaning that there is no risk of scalding. Fourth, it takes up less space than a traditional water heater, so it is a great option for homes with limited space. Fifth, it is easy to install and can be installed in a variety of locations. What are the different types of instant water heaters? There are two main types of instant water heaters: storage type and tankless type. A storage type instant water heater stores hot water in a tank and heats it up to a set temperature. A tankless type instant water heater does not store hot water and instead heats it up as you turn on the tap. Tankless type instant water heaters are more energy efficient and take up less space, but they are also more expensive up front. What is the installation process like for an instant water heater? The installation process for an instant water heater is relatively simple and straightforward. It involves connecting the device to your home's electrical system and plumbing system. However, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure that the device is installed correctly. If you are not comfortable installing the device yourself, then you should hire a qualified electrician and plumber to do it for you. So, if you are in the market for a new water heater, be sure to check out the best instant water heaters at Bioelectronics. We have the perfect instant water heater for you. Whether you are looking for a budget-friendly option or a more luxurious experience, our friendly customer service team is always available to help you find the perfect product for your needs. So, what are you waiting for? Shop now and start enjoying endless hot water at the best price in Pakistan.